I'm going to put the camera down now before he starts shouting at me, because he doesn't know where he's going.
Where are we going now? Straight over.
Catch you up a bit later.
Oh, what's occurring?
And now we are off to our next destination, which is what, my love?
Bridge Villa, caravan and camping site.
Bridge Villa, caravan and camping site.
Another one from Search for Sites.
And it's not far from the Newbury showground, which we'll be going to tomorrow. But let's just hope that we don't do what somebody else did and head into London rather than west of country towards Newbury. Because if we get caught doing that, it's going to cost us a blimmin' fortune.
Bridge Villa.
That was a little tight.
Oh, there they are. There.
Oh, there.
What does it say that? Weight limit, 3.5 tons.
Straight back.
What does that mean?
That way. So just turned up on site, been to reception. You can pay by card, and I've got some washing to do. Thankfully the washing machine is working, but I've just been told that I've got to go and get some tokens. There's the shop and reception. So when you arrive at reception, you've just got to press the bell and they'll open it up for you. As you can see, we just parked there. Lovely little spot just as you come in. Is it the same tokens for the washing machine as the tumble dryer?
No, they're two different tokens. So that is £8 in total.
Thank you very much. I'm just going to have a little look in the shop. So they've got toilet cleaner, little bits and bobs for camping, some gas there, some charcoal, instant grill, sugar coffee, some milk and ice creams. So the small token is for the tumble dryer and the bigger one is for the washing machine. Or the other way around, I'm not quite sure. We've also got Calagas here, and it's a caravan and motorhome affiliated site, but you can come here even if you're not a member of that. You've got your waste disposable, recycling all along here. And let's have a little look where the washing machine and tumble dryer is. Oh, gents and ladies. Let's have a look at the ladies. A little sink in there. Quite a few toilets in here, open sinks here, and a few showers. Big showers. Plenty of room in there to change on a nice little seat as well. All lovely, sparkly clean. Little map of the area, and they've also got a disability shower and toilet there as well. Alson waste disposal. Again, nice and clean. Washing up room. Washer and tumble dryer.
No, mine.
Which one?
The little one.
Now this washing machine has taken quite a large load, although it's not a huge washing machine. And they also supply you with non-bio detergent capsules for washing, free of charge. I mean, the convenient thing is we could have gone to find a Revolution or something like that, but that means you're hanging around services or somewhere.
Grocery store for 2 hours.
Grocery, yeah. So this takes about 44 minutes for £4, and they give you detergent as well. Bargain. All sorted. £36 a night is not cheap, but it is a lovely campsite. Clean, tidy, and got a bit of character to it as well. Nice surroundings. Now the laundry is drying. I've got a couple of things. I've got a list of shopping that I've got to do before tomorrow for the weekend. So if I can do it up the road in the shop Michelle has spotted, then I'll do it now. Might as well do it now. If not, it's going to be a Tesco's tomorrow. I think Michelle's going to a Tesco's anyway because she's got to get specific things for her cooking demonstration the weekend. She bought enough bags to do a flipping weekly shop in Tesco's. I forgot to say as well, with the commotion of us coming in, weight limit 3.5 tons. I'm not sure whether that was for the bridge, but we are certainly over 3.5 tons and we went in. We go out of here and turn right?
Left.
Ah, right, okay, we came from the right, that direction. Yeah. So that's why I didn't see a shop. Which is those little walking path down there. Where it goes to, I don't know. Not ideal weather for it today, but it's not raining at the moment and it's quite warm. There's a little swimming pool play area for... Oh no, and there is a swimming pool over there as well. Wonder how warm that is. I can see why the campsite is so expensive now.
Yeah.
I mean, this is quite an affluent area anyway.
Yeah, it's really
beautiful. Live sports for the lions. They would love that. And food served till 9. And there's another pub here as well. Not as so picturesque as the other one.
I'm a bit dubious about that. That's a pretty bold statement.
Lovely little town, and now we are going into Waitrose just to do a little bit of shopping. I think Michelle has bought enough to throw after somebody again. And she's going for Tesco's tomorrow, and I've got one bag of essentials. Bistro, hotel. Shame we're not staying this long. It's pretty lovely.
Yeah.
He came to the rescue. Because Michelle bought too much.
Yeah.
Well, it's true.
One of your bags.
It's true. Yes, he is. But that's just being a gentleman. I could have carried it.
He's a shit stirrer.
I must be taking lessons off David. I would say that was about a 10-minute walk, max. 10-minute walk. Well, good morning to you. What lovely evening it was last night. Couple of the odd showers, but early to bed, and to be honest with you, I was absolutely shattered. Very peaceful night. I was cooking duties last night and I made sausage bangers, onion gravy, runner beans and mashed potato with a little bit of cheese and onion in it. It was bloody gorgeous. Didn't take any photographs, but you'll have to just take my word for it. I did cook it and I washed up afterwards. Just come back from the shower. David's having a shower in the van, but I just came back from the shower, and they're not a push button and you just wave your hand in front of it and it lasts for quite a long time. And I gotta be honest, actually experiencing the showers, they were bloody lush. You've got a nice area then to do brush your teeth and with the sink, private sink and stuff afterwards, which is like in a cubicle. So if you're like me and like to moisturise all of your skin, you can do that in there. I can see really why it's £36 a night. That was for David and myself and the motorhome, obviously, with electric. Not the cheapest of sites, But it's in an ideal location, beautiful surroundings, a couple of pubs all in walking distance, shopping. Yes, lovely here it is. Really, really nice. Well maintained, staff are lovely, and bonus for the washing machine and tumble dryer as well. Although you have to pay for it, £4 a token. So it's not too bad. They do charge £2 for a dog. Which Michelle had to pay for. But apart from that, thumbs up for the site, and I would definitely come back. I'm going to go over now to have a chat with the staff on the site and see if they'd like to have a few words.
My name is Andrew Townsend. I own and manage Bridge Villa Caravan Park. Campsite was started by my grandparents, Ted and Dulcie Townsend, in the 1950s, 1955 I think they opened the gates. In those days it was people from local villages visiting Wallingford Riverside. It's always been a popular attraction, particularly at bank holidays, but it was mainly local people. The number of pitches we have is currently 91. We've got electric to all the pitches. It's 10 amp electric, free Wi-Fi across the site. Campsite is open from 1st of February, close on the midday on the 2nd of January, so we're open for Christmas and New Year. Now sometimes we delay opening in February because in February the River Thames decides to visit us and half of the site is underwater. So if the Thames decides to visit us, then we delay opening, obviously. Just a 5-minute walk from our entrance, you can be in the centre of Wallingford, which is an historic market town. There's numerous places to eat and drink, lots of pubs that do food, and apart from the pubs there's many restaurants and takeaway establishments, so we're really lucky in that respect. There's a outdoor but heated swimming pool down by the river, is open from May through to September. Wallingford has got its what they call Wallingford Beach, which is a little sandy bay, which is a designated swimming beach on the River Thames. It's an ideal place to launch your paddle boards and kayaks, etc. Nice walks along the river to Benson, just up the road. We're actually at the confluence of 2 national trails, so if you like your walking, we've got the Ridgeway National Trail, which crosses the Thames Path within half a mile of the campsite.
But one thing I will say about this, I think it is good value for money. £36 is reasonable for all the amenities that you've got on site, and walking distance to all the other amenities is beautiful and well kept. So thanks very much for the stay.
No problem. Nice
There
to
we
see
are,
you.
lovely. Thank you. But there's 2 other sites close to this one, and the council charge £44 a night. And the other one is more like £52 a night. So this is really cheap, really, considering with all the amenities. Also, I must say as well, it's very secure here, and the barriers come down. They've got a barrier and a gate, which is locked up late at night as well. Load of bikers come to camp. Are we ready to go?
Ready to rock and roll.
Ready to rock and roll.
Yep, let's head down to Newbury Showground.
Yeah, we're ready to go now, all packed up. And if you've liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe, it is free, and we'll see you on the next one.
And if you watch these videos and you're not subscribing, well, you can just fuck.
Oh, what's occurring?